The speed limiter assistant in the Seat Leon 4 is an electronic system designed to help drivers avoid exceeding preset speed limits. It caps the vehicle's speed, reducing the risk of speeding fines and accidents. Unlike cruise control, which maintains a constant speed, the speed limiter prevents you from accelerating beyond your set limit. To enable the speed limiter, start by pressing the ACC button on the steering wheel, marked with a speedometer icon. Next, use the plus and minus buttons on the steering wheel to select your desired speed limit. Then confirm the setting through the infotainment system by navigating to Driver Assistance and selecting Speed Limiter. Finally, the dashboard will show Limiter along with your set speed. To disable the speed limiter in your Seat Leon 4, you have several quick methods available. For a temporary disable, simply press the ACC button on the steering wheel again. To fully disable it, hold the ACC button for 3 seconds. Alternatively, you can access the Driver Assistance menu in the infotainment system and turn it off there. Keep in mind that some models with speed limit recognition may automatically re-enable the limiter based on detected road signs. This feature can be disabled in the settings if you prefer. When you need to exceed the set speed limit, such as for overtaking, firmly depress the accelerator pedal. The speed limiter will temporarily deactivate, allowing you to accelerate. Once you release the pedal and your speed drops below the limit, the system will re-engage. The primary controls for the speed limiter assistant are located on the steering wheel. Further settings and options can be found within the infotainment system. Look for the Driver Assistance section, then select Speed Limiter. Remember to consult the car's manual for exact locations, as it may vary between models and software updates. If the speed limiter isn't working, first ensure it's enabled in the infotainment system. Next, check the dashboard for any error messages that might indicate a system issue. If issues persist, consult the Seat Leon 4 owner's manual or contact a certified set dealer. Over-the-air software updates released in 2025 addressed responsiveness and may help. The speed limiter caps the maximum speed at a user-defined limit, using sensors to apply gentle braking or throttle intervention to prevent exceeding it. Adaptive cruise control maintains a set speed, but automatically adjusts based on surrounding traffic, slowing down or speeding up to maintain a safe distance from other vehicles. They can work independently or together. The future of speed-limiting technology involves greater integration with AI-driven systems that use real-time data to predict weather and road conditions, enabling adaptive speed limiting that adjusts automatically for safety. EU regulations are increasingly mandating speed limiters in vehicles, emphasizing their critical role in reducing road deaths and improving overall safety. Seat is planning over-the-air updates to implement adaptive speed limiting based on changing weather or road conditions. This is an evolving technology that prioritizes both safety and efficiency in vehicle operation. As speed limiting technology advances, it promises a future with fewer accidents and more efficient driving for all.